this Corona season, when the lockdown started in Nigeria, I said to myself, "Hey guy, you know how to make money from YouTube? Why not implement it?" And I said, "Okay, I'm going to implement those rules, those tricks." And do you know, a lot of people don't know they can make money from YouTube by videos that they didn't do by themselves. Someone else did the video, you can upload and make money with it. A lot of people have absolutely no idea. So what I did, I decided to track my progress. As you can see, I started the first screenshot I did after I started uploading the videos and using the rules was on the 4th of April. So that's 1,200 views. Then this is 5th. I had 6,000 views, and then here I have 22,000 views. It just kept going on. 32,000 views, 43,000 views. How was that able to happen? There are some tricks and some trick secrets you need to know, and I've documented all that in a course. You can check it out. I'll drop the link in the description so you can check it out. I'll teach you how to, you know, the things you can do to grow your YouTube channel, and also how to connect your YouTube channel to Google Analytics, right? How to advertise your video so that when you're watching a video, or maybe you upload a video that you think is worth it, others can watch, you can actually advertise your video before another video, right? And also I'll teach you how to link it to Google AdSense, and also how to make use of Google Analytics. You know, all to just how to link your YouTube to your website, how to just get everything interconnected and let your business start running dynamically on the internet. If you're interested, please make sure you hit the subscribe button, you like this video, and check the link in the description so you can get started. Alright guys, see ya.